Time. It will be scored if it's caught. If your dog needs to take a nature break, time will keep going. So hopefully you have already walked your dog and taken care of business so you don't have any business to deal with on the field. If there's any other interruptions, like a dog running on the field or a mountain falling over or something, then we will stop time and, of course, let the person start over if necessary. So anything that's outside of your control, we obviously would stop time for. So that is it. And do we have all our judges for this round ready to go? We need Russ, are you going to continue on clipboard? We have one more person to grab the other side of the field here.
If that was too quick for anybody who's a novice and has a question, my name's Michael over here, or anybody over here. When you're ready to go, just come over if you need some clarification, if you didn't quite get all of that.
Okay, so we are ready to begin our novice division. First up, J.C. Brigham and Sally. On deck, Scott Began and Haley. Heather White and Marley, you're in the hole. All right. Judges ready? Sally, you ready?
A shorter or a tail
Go.
doppelganger. She doesn't bark at the frisbee.
Okay, Sally's watching the frisbee. Didn't quite get there. Wow.
No throw, babe.
Watched it that time.
Watch your foot.
Checking out what's going on here in the judges' tent.
Sorry.
Take, go.
I didn't move that way.
30 seconds.
Ow.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. 5.5 points for JC and Sally. Next up, Scott Began and Haley. Second throw was a foot fault. That, as I mentioned during the intermediate, the scores I am announcing are initial